Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to find files that were modified in the last 90 days on Dropbox. Whether you're trying to quickly locate recent work or just want to keep track of updates, this method will save you time and effort. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Once you're inside, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. This is your starting point for finding any file stored in your Dropbox account. Next, tap the Date filter icon, which looks like a little calendar. This will open up a set of date options to narrow down your search results. Here's where it gets really handy. Select the option labeled Date Modified, Last 90 Days. This filter ensures that only files changed within the past 3 months will show up, making your search much more focused. Once you have the date range set, it's time to enter the name of the file you're looking for in the search bar. You don't need to type the full name. Even a keyword or part of the file name works. After typing in your search term, hit the search button or press enter. Dropbox will now display a list of files matching your query and modified within the specified 90-day window. This way, you won't have to scroll endlessly through old files, and you can quickly get straight to your most recent documents. This method is especially useful if you regularly update shared folders or collaborate with others and need to stay on top of the latest changes. It's a great way to keep organized without digging through every file manually. So, to recap, open Dropbox, tap the search bar, use the date filter to choose the last 90 days, type your file name, and hit search. It's a quick and efficient way to find your recent files anytime you need them. Give it a try the next time you want to find something fresh on Dropbox. It's easy, straightforward, and will definitely speed up your workflow. Thanks for watching.